Elon Musk just literally told us to buy XRP. Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today in this video, we're going to discuss our main cryptocurrency, Ripple XRP, and what Elon Musk said about XRP. But before we start the video, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe before leaving. Also, hit that bell icon so that you'll be notified when we upload a new video.
You want to win an iPhone 12, maybe a MacBook Pro? How about $500 cash? You decide. All you have to do is comment the secret hidden message somewhere in this video and leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel so we can keep affording these giveaways.
For now, let's get back to the video straight away. The lawyer representing the interest of XRP holders was referring to Musk's post with Tesla's statement about the suspension of sales of electric vehicles for Bitcoin. The company explained the decision with concerns about the environmental friendliness of cryptocurrency mining. Deaton recalled that Ripple executives have repeatedly put forward energy arguments in favor of the firm's coin, criticizing the Bitcoin network for increasing carbon emissions. Now, because of Musk's tweet, everyone will talk about it, according to the founder of Deaton Law Firm. Earlier, Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse called the energy consumption of mining the first cryptocurrency a huge waste. There is absolutely no incentive to make them accountable for their carbon footprint. It's incomprehensible why the issue is not yet at the top of the global climate crisis agenda, he said. If Deaton is right, Musk followed up with another contribution to XRP advertising. The trend in use, Bitcoin energy, has been insane over the past few months, the Tesla founder wrote in the next tweet. XRP whales have accelerated the movement of the world's seventh most valuable cryptocurrency after a price jump of nearly 12% in the last 24 hours. A large XRP wallet has transferred $93 million worth of digital currency to an unknown wallet today. According to the latest data published by Whale Alert, a blockchain tracking and crypto analytics platform, XRP address moved 61.99 million coins to an unknown wallet on May 18th. At 0017 UTC. The latest movement came after a crypto wallet executed a transaction of 25 million XRP, worth over $38 million from cryptocurrency exchange Bittrex, to a digital wallet on May 17, 2021. XRP price saw a volatile last week as the price of the cryptocurrency touched a low of approximately $1.25 on May 13th. The digital currency has seen a spike of more than 15% in the last 2 days. As of writing, the digital asset is trading over $1.53 with a market cap of more than $53 billion. XRP is the seventh largest cryptocurrency in the world, just behind stablecoin Tether USDT in terms of market cap. Earlier this month, Ripple, a San Francisco-based blockchain company, released its quarterly markets report and highlighted a surge in XRP sales during the first 3 months of 2021. In addition, the cryptocurrency is getting popular among institutional investors as XRP investment products attract $33 million worth of institutional inflows during the second week of April 2021. In March this year, Ripple published a white paper on the central bank digital currencies CBDCs and termed XRP as a bridge currency for CBDCs. The company announced to support central banks through a private version of XRPL. During a recent interview with Reuters, the Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse said that Ripple is growing in Asia and the company's Asian business has not experienced any negative impact of the SEC's lawsuit. XRP now accounts for nearly 2.5% of the total market cap of the cryptocurrency market. Ripple XRP is now the seventh largest cryptocurrency by market cap. It has a maximum supply of 100 billion and a circulating supply of 44,404,028,640 XRP out of the total supply of 99,990,831,162 XRP. The current market cap is 25,873,586,160. with a 24-hour trading volume of 11,867,180,193. If you want to be very well informed before making an investment decision, then this XRP price prediction will be useful to you. XRP has not had a smooth ride in the last few years, and 2021 is not an exception. Between December 2020 and now, it has moved down the ladder from the third largest cryptocurrency to the 7th. This has been mainly because of the lawsuit against Ripple and the executives by the SEC. Nevertheless, the cryptocurrency has been quite resilient, considering the situation. Since the beginning of March, the market has not shown any clear direction, but has been a battle between bulls and bears. There are few isolated massive buy or sell volumes indicating that price has no clear direction yet. Following the bad performance in early 2021, the price has recovered and a golden cross occurred in February. This has been sustained up to this moment, with a 50 MA safely above the 200 MA. This indicates a generally bullish long-term trend that should make XRP quite attractive to buyers now. The asset may be experiencing a sell-off soon, although it is almost overpriced. The RSI, which is currently at over 60, indicates that it is approaching an overbought condition and could be getting ready for a pullback. This happens as traders and investors sell their belongings to take some profit. If you are trading XRP, the following are key support and resistant levels you should keep in mind when trading, according to Wallet Investor. Resistant level R3, 0.590. Resistant level R2, 0.568. Resistance level R1, 0.544. Pivot point, 0.522. Support level S1, 0.498. Support level S2, 0.476. Support level S3, 0.451. The battle between Ripple and the SEC is still ongoing, with the Ripple team insisting that XRP is not a security. In a recent response filed by Ripple's attorneys, the company requested that the case be dismissed, as no part of XRP's sales suggested that it was bought as a security or an investment. Although the SEC has stood its ground, the pressure still seems to be mounting. A group of XRP buyers led by an attorney, John Deaton, has also filed a petition asking the SEC to exempt XRP from the case as they did not buy it as a security. The group of XRP investors argues that no part of their investment contract suggests that the asset was bought as a security or an investment. Meanwhile, despite the ongoing case, XRP is looking good on the market and making good progress even against Bitcoin. The top cryptocurrency has dived while XRP continues to move up bit by bit. Factors that influence the prices of Ripple XRP. The bottom line and the main question is, what will drive the Ripple XRP price in the coming years? Since you all know that the cryptos are decentralized and investors are wondering which single thing will make the price of XRP go skyrocket, well, there is no single proof of either of this thing will happen, or not in real time, but there are some factors that can affect its price. Either the price will go gaga or it will again face the dead side. Let's talk about some of the factors that we think are worth being addressed. Supply and demand. This plays a very crucial role in uprising the value. Either it is Ripple, XRP, or any other crypto, the demand for the crypto is the main thing. Earlier, we have realized that Ripple is not getting that much attention compared to other cryptos. News and company achievements are the biggest influence that can be left on users. The past price analysis is the pivot part. If you're going to invest in Ripple, then you would think if the coin is worth investing in or not. You will check its 10 years of historical data. Unfortunately, Ripple has no fairy tales or any success stories to show. The financial crisis makes investors and traders back off. The power of the media can turn help or harm any crypto as long as it wants. They are the kind of reels that drive the fire among investors and traders. It largely affects the demand for cryptos when the media writes or talks about it. It plays a very positive role indirectly by talking about the stuff like providing knowledge, basic 101 guides, and by giving catchy news. SEC lawsuit. In December, SEC, formerly known as the Securities and Exchange Commission, filed a lawsuit against Ripple Labs, Inc. and two of its officials for raising over $1.3 billion by securing unregistered digital asset security offerings. As part of the lawsuit, the company defied the federal security laws by selling XRP coins without registering them as security. XRP has been hit by a bombshell after getting sued by the SEC. If the SEC wins the case, it is most likely Ripple will be considered as security in the United States, nor as a currency. This will affect other cryptocurrencies to be classified as a security. One thing investors do not like is uncertainty. This Ripple lawsuit probably lasts a year or more. XRP will be one of the most uncertain investments in the crypto community before the SEC suit against Ripple is settled, so this can badly affect the coin's image. XRP price prediction. Market opinions. If the fractals are not wrong, the prediction was 50 cents by the end of 2020. The target was somehow achieved. Although it's just a 16% loss from the target prices, still, it covered a major portion of the predicted prices. It's being said that XRP will see an explosive move on its price once the investors and traders will bargain to invest. It is reasonable that XRP will achieve the $1 level by the end of this year. The recent surge in November by 50 cents in Ripple price has cooled a bit since then. By making a statement that XRP is different from others, that this crypto is creating a dilemma to attract potential investors. Comparatively, on a lower cost than other coins, XRP is quite appealing to investors and traders. For someone who invests $1,000 on Ripple, suddenly the prices go up to 50 cents. This uprise makes a significant difference for that particular individual. Meanwhile, for Bitcoin investors, this would hardly raise an eyebrow. 2020 may be bad for some other reason to people, but for XRP, it was quite a good year. On a good note, XRP is more available to the public. It's much more accessible and volatile even in minor variations. XRP price prediction. Verdict. We have seen over the years that Ripple has the potential to disrupt the industry. The coin has the support of regulators and is professionally managed by a team of experts and investors who are working hard to push the coin and make the adoption rate higher than ever. This guide is our self-assessment, concluded by how the coin has performed well in the future and what are the chances. Make sure that before investing, you do your research and make conclusions on your behalf. But if you are an investor and want to invest minimum, then this coin is the best fit for you. Even the slightest increase of cents can make a big effect on the profit side. That's it for today, guys. We'll see you next time. Until then, goodbye.